Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. Lately I have been more into my business. So next week I'm actually hosting a pop-up shop for like business awareness and also for my community. So I'm having a vending networking event where everybody is going to be coming out and networking for their business. So right now this week I have to stock up on a lot of things. I've ordered some new inventory, so I was like, this is the perfect time to show some things that I've ordered for my business. So I was selling lashes before and I just started selling lashes again. So I do have some new lashes to show y'all. And I'm super excited to show y'all these lashes. They are super popping. I'm so excited about them. I hope y'all like them as well. Also, y'all know y'all can check out the description below if you would like to shop my website. I do make organic skincare products. I sell lashes. I sell glosses, all that. And I'm actually going to make some glosses today on camera because y'all know that Saturdays and Sundays are my days to restock on my items. So I'm going to do that as well. So anyway, let's actually get into these lashes. So it came in, I want to make sure I'm not showing my address. It came in this box right here. I had only ordered about like 30 lashes because I still had some that I needed to sell. But I wanted to get some new lashes and new packaging for my pop-up shop. So it came in this box right here. I already opened it up clearly, as y'all can see, because I was just so excited to see them. So here are the lashes. It came in 3 different cases because I ordered 3 different styles. And she wrapped them all up very nice and individually in this plastic packaging. So I'm going to take them out and show y'all what it looks like. I did name them all and I put my logos on them. Here's one of them that I actually put the logo on. And the case slides like this to the side. I love that. That is so cute. So that's how the case slides open. So this style is Whisper. This is the style on the scene. And this is in the style Date Night. Let's see how fluffy and detailed these lashes are. And please don't mind my nails. I haven't had time to go to the nail salon because I've been planning for this pop-up shop. So they'll be together by the time the next video. So it only took about like 6 days for my package to come in the mail. I didn't order that many this time. I only ordered 30 pairs, so 10 each of each style. So usually my vendor sends them really quick. She's the best, and I really love my lashes, and I'm actually very happy and pleasantly surprised how they came. So yes, that was the lashes. Also, y'all know if y'all want to purchase, y'all can, like I said, definitely check out the links below. They're super affordable and y'all gotta get y'all some. Actually about to jump into making these lip glosses. Y'all know I make my lip glosses on the weekends. So quick disclaimer, this is not how I make my lip glosses. This is just a technique that I seen that I wanted to try. Just to let y'all know, especially for those who make glosses themselves, this is not how I make my lip glosses. I just wanted to try this technique. Well, all of my inventory on the weekends. So we're about to jump into this. I'm going to zoom y'all in. So here we are with my lip gloss base. Hopefully this is a good angle and the lighting is good. So my lip gloss base, I already pre-mixed it. Of course, I sanitized everything already. I have my gloves on, my napkin down in case I make any mess. So in my lip gloss base, I just use the typical lip gloss gel base. I have grapeseed oil, castor oil, a bunch of amazing oils. You can, like I said, check out my description for the full ingredients and everything. So I actually seen this technique online where I seen how you can make more pigmented lip glosses. So I'm actually going to be trying that. I put enough base in here to make 4 to 5 lip glosses. So we are going to try that today. So I just grabbed my pigments. These are like my pre-mixed pigments right here. And I'm going to be using this clay as the base for the color. Apparently using this clay makes the base of the gloss and any pigments that you go put into it makes it stick to the clay, and it's supposed to make it more pigmented. So I'm going to just mix that in there first. Hopefully this doesn't change the texture or viscosity of the gloss. So this is just us trying out something together. And I think I want to make like a pinky brown color. So I'm going to start adding some of this brown to it. I'm adding a little bit more of base clay. I think that I should have pre-mixed the clay with some oil first, but we'll see. I'm adding a dash of this pink. Okay, so this is the shade we have going on right here. I'm actually going to show y'all a swatch video of it outside. I do still have to break up the clumps a little bit that's in the mixture from the clay. That's what the shade looks like. It's a nice nude for all skin types. I think all skin types will look great in this. So this is the shade in outdoor lighting, and this is what the color ended up looking like. I hope y'all really enjoyed this video. It's a great fall color. If y'all did enjoy this video, definitely let me know in the comments section down below what y'all would like to see next. And have a great one.